Welcome to CRV My infotainment system task manager is wonky. It just does what it wants. I got a camera, I use it, and I share it to the world. I understand while we're driving, we can't just whip things out and show all. If your issue still persists and you could pull to the side of the road safely and demonstrate to us, or when you're home to get it out, or your passenger can simply take the camera out. I don't love the system, and I don't know where or what you mean of task manager. The only thing I could call of task manager is the computer, where you could control alternate delete for task manager. Well, this is a Honda car, a 5th generation. If I go into the settings and I start to look for everything, I'm not sure where task manager is. If this is what you're referring to as task manager, please explain yourself, because a lot of people don't understand my typing skills. But here I don't understand what you mean by task manager. If I want to get out of my accessory mode, I need to hit again. If I hit the buttons here and I can get to certain areas of the system and go back and forth, well, I ain't going to be fooling around anymore until you can tell us where task manager is. I'm not going to tell you to refer to the book and look at pages 260 through 289, but that's where the infotainment system lies, and nowhere in there could I find task manager. The full manual is online. My suggestion is take a look, go from there until we can figure out your issue.